In this video, you'll learn step by step how to invest in the SP500 on Robinhood, without wasting time and straight to the point. First, go to the search section within the app and type Vanguard SP500. It usually appears as the first result. The ETF we're looking for is the Vanguard SP500 ETF, identified by the symbol VO. Upon selecting it, you'll also see that it's available for 24-hour trading, which is quite useful. If you want to analyze this ETF before investing, simply scroll down to review the available information. Unlike individual stocks, the app displays charts and visuals specifically for ETFs, making it easier to understand how they work. You can see that this fund replicates the SP500 index and offers automatic diversification by investing in approximately 500 of the largest companies in the United States. The fund's creation date, September 2010, is also displayed, along with its classification as a large blend, meaning a combination of large, established companies. You can also review the sectors in which it invests and the fund's main holdings. For example, a significant portion of the capital is allocated to companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, and JP Morgan, among others. This allows you to clearly see how your money is distributed and the level of diversification you achieve. Another interesting piece of information is the average historical return, which serves as a benchmark for comparing its long-term performance. It's no coincidence that this type of investment is recommended by Warren Buffett, who favors low-fee SP500 funds as an efficient way to invest in a diversified manner. To invest, simply press the green buy button. The option to purchase whole shares appears, but a single share costs around $453, an amount we don't have available. Therefore, we changed the method to buying by dollar amount, which allows us to invest without having to buy a whole share. We entered $10 and, automatically, we were acquiring a fraction of the ETF, in this case, a little over 0.02 shares of VO. We confirmed the transaction, and the order was executed immediately. Upon reviewing the details, we could see that the purchase was made on February 2, 2024, for a total of $10, with an approximate price of $453 per share at that time. If we return to the ETF screen and scroll down a bit, we would see our position reflected, including the number of fractions we own, the current value, and the accumulated return. From here, you can continue investing manually whenever you want, or, if you prefer to automate the process, set up recurring investments. This option is located within the profile menu. Although there are no active automatic investments in this case, it is possible to create a recurring investment so that the app invests periodically in the SP500 or other assets, facilitating a consistent long-term investment strategy.